So they have a little hay ride, kind of walking around. Somewhat underwhelming, but still we get it. You know, kind of cool. But all kinds of apple trees. Yeah, but she would put those apples out for us all the time.
Funny.
Oh, we got some stuff over here. Looks like more stuff. Kind of cloudy, but it's not. It kind of cools it. It'd be kind of cool to go. I still want to go to that winery of Bledsoe that he has on Washington. I know.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
When we were up in Toronto, they had a lot of wineries.
I know, we're reaching it. She's 10 weeks. She's so cute.
So you can tell.
We don't know.
All kinds of apples on the floor, on the ground. They have lots of stuff for families. Ton of stuff. They can attempt to eat them, but I don't know. I wouldn't. Suckers. Yeah, camels they got. Should I try it? And then I bite into it, right?
What'd you grab?
Not too bad.
What'd you grab?
One of these.
Honey Crisp?
Yep.
Her name's Millie.
Billy.
I said, we have a Millie.
They just walked down down the
I didn't know this was all here.
Mm-hmm.
I thought this would be the private event.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's a ankle breaking waiting to happen
Where?
in the haystack.
Oh yeah. Or someone gets hurt.
You hungry? Get on that.
These are kind of cool.
Sweets and treats, grill hut.
All right.
What's cool?
This right here.
This is that plain grass. That's what Jack just planted that I saw. I might want to get some.
Mm-hmm. Built 10.6. Old machine. Not bad boy. Hmm. Old John Deere over here. My dad loved old John Deere's. There's some YouTube videos. John Deere, Riley, how they grew. Huh. Right over there. Going on the ride, man. Heck yeah. Woohoo! Long line for food, you can see.
Oh, it looks like only the one is open.
Right.
That's too bad.
Yeah.
On a Saturday?
Yeah.
Wow. Why wouldn't one of them be open? That's crazy.
I don't know. Ain't worth waiting in line. Little place for them to hang out in. Heck yeah.
That's unfortunate.
Yeah, I know. You're gonna, especially this time of year.
Yep. You know it's going to be busy.
Right. Oh, look at that dog. Yeah.
Oh, look at that color.
Oh my word. That's the hay up there. Oh, we got animals over here, it looks like. We got a little train over here. There's a caboose. Oh, look at some critters.
Got pigs, sheep.
Hi guys. Hello. Hi guys. Kind of hanging out, living the life. Mm-hmm.
Look at a goat. I've never seen coloring on a goat
Looks
like that.
looks like Coco.
Mm-hmm.
Are you all by yourself, young man? Well, it looks like a sheep.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it does.
Don't feed the animals, it says. Hello. How are you? Oh. Whoop, 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 whoop.
Oh, he wants some corn. He got it.
Yeah. How are you doing? Oh, yeah.
Now your chickens.
No. Big birds.
Oh, look at the little dots in the pig.
Yeah. He's like, I want that thing for lunch.
I know.
How are you doing? What are you doing? Feed the animals. Can't do it. Oh, he's scared of that thing. Yeah.
Couldn't you just see Coco right now with this pig?
Oh God, she's going crazy. Yep. You can tell they got all kinds of stuff over in here.
That's weird.
Yep. So anyways, hey you guys. Anyways guys, Probably just 2 videos. Come on to the apple orchard. Hanging out.
Why are you in the corner by yourself?
Ah.
Planting.
See you next.